So in this video, I want to talk to you guys about these Bitcoin charts. We're going to look at the long-term time frames and the short-term time frames to get an idea of where we stand for 2023 and the rest of 2023. We're going to take a look at the Bitcoin dominance to see if we can get an idea of what's going on with these altcoins and how much time do we have left to get our portfolios in order and keep collecting these bags. You got to start looking at these things early so you can have enough time to be here for the last hoorah. Welcome to Everything Currency. This is a show where we talk about everything crypto and mo. I'm your host Jay, and today, we're going to be talking about everything going on in this crypto market right now, getting these portfolios ready and looking at these Bitcoin charts because they always give us an idea of what's going on. And I think there's some interesting things happening on these charts right now, especially for the people who might be a little bit more bearish. So if you guys don't watch my channel, I'm impartial, you know what I mean? Of course, I'm in crypto. I want the price to just go up only, but I do know about charts and I do know about trading, and I know that everything goes in a cycle. So let's just look at this 3-month chart right here. So on this chart, you can see I've been charting this for a minute, but I have this blue line right here, which is the 13 moving average on a 3-month chart, and getting above this line right here usually means bull run territory. You know, it's pretty fun once we get above this 13 moving average. Good things happen once we get above this 13 moving average. So right now we've gotten below the 13 moving average. Let me zoom in here on the 3-month chart, and we're fighting our way right now to try to get back above it. Right now I have it marked off at 31,237. That can go up a little bit because, you know, the price is in average right now, and we're getting rejected by that level. You can see it's already the second time we're getting rejected by that level, but this is a 3-month chart, so this could take a while to play out. This has taken a pretty long time to take out. Let's zoom in a little bit to see if we can get some more information. Here we go. The monthly chart is looking a lot more bullish. We're above the 13 moving average on the monthly. What I would really like to see is for us to come back down and really, you know, either wick below this, come below it for a little bit, or just bounce right on it and then continue up. That would be the most bullish scenario. But we do have this cross down here, which is keeping me, you know, with my fingers crossed to you know, that we have some nice upside coming right now in this Bitcoin price. And you can see this cross doesn't happen too often. Last time it happened was June 20, and things started going crazy from there. We do get some fake outs, so hopefully it's not a fake out. It's looking pretty nice right now. But if we zoom out a little bit more, I want to caution and make sure that this is the monthly chart. We want to make sure that this doesn't end up being, you know, just a nice, you know, double top pattern right there, and that could send us back to some lower levels. So speaking of double top patterns, when we zoom in and say, hey, on today it was dumping and it's been dumping this week, that's what I said in my last video. I said, hey, short term we could be going down to test some lower levels, because that's what I see on this chart right here. Let me delete some of these lines because they're getting in my way. Hold on. So here's a lot more cleaner chart right here. We can see that this, you know, we did get sort of a higher high, but now we're getting rejected right here. I was first thinking, hey, we might want to come and bounce off of this 13 and then continue up. That is a theme that we continue to see, but also this could be a double top right here. Now, if this ends up being a double top right here, then our target could be somewhere down here, maybe 24K, and that could be, you know, not too bullish. That wouldn't be too bullish at all. Or even maybe 25, 26. We're playing in a pretty big range right here. The lowest level of a double top right here would be way down here somewhere. So we want to make sure that we just hold above this 13 moving average to remain in this kind of, you know, in this uptrend that we have going on right there. So very interesting things going on this Bitcoin chart for sure. If we zoom in even more and go to the daily, we see that, yeah, we're getting rejected right here below the 13 moving average, trying to get above it right here, got rejected, went all the way above it and came to retest it and failed it. Now we're coming back up it. I don't know why I'm zoomed out so far, my bad. Now we're coming back up to it and getting rejected by it right there. It's been a couple days where we've been getting rejected by it so far. So yeah, this level is looking like maybe 26 or a high target of 28 1 right here, and an even higher target of 29.5 where it had already bounced a couple times. If we add that line right there, we really want to make sure we hold that, and we really want to make sure we get back above this right here. 30,100 is the level to beat for Bitcoin. When we go into the total, we see that the total market cap is actually looking pretty good. It's above that 13 moving average, but when we zoom in on the monthly, we can see it's looking just like Bitcoin on the monthly, because most of that market cap is Bitcoin. So let's remove Bitcoin from that picture, and it is still looking good right there. So let's take a look at what's going on with our Bitcoin dominance chart right here. And is it gonna load? Is it gonna load? Is it gonna load? Let me refresh that. So this right here is the Bitcoin dominance chart, and this is basically weighing the dominance of Bitcoin versus all of the altcoins. Bitcoin's dominance above the overall market. So Bitcoin has 50% of the market right now. That's why Bitcoin is king. Bitcoin is not going anywhere, and you should definitely have some of it in your portfolio for sure. But it is 50% of the cryptocurrency market, and there's like, you know, thousands, tens of thousands of cryptos. So this dotted line right here on my Bitcoin dominance chart will always be the 50% mark. So we got above the 50% mark, and you can see we're retesting it right now, coming above it and then going back down to bounce on it, retesting it right now, looking interesting. So right there is the level where I thought we're probably going to top out at, right there at the 52 level, at the 200 moving average on the weekly. And this looks interesting right here, that we're kind of getting a crossover on this MACD down here. And we do have where we had, you know, we had bullish divergence from a while back, from around, you know, here, and then we had a nice big pump back to the 200 moving average. So as this drops and gets rejected here, if it doesn't get rejected here, yeah, we see Bitcoin go even higher. 58% would be the highest that it's been in, you know, since the last bull market. But I don't necessarily think it'll get back to that level, because altcoins do have a high market share in this market. There's more and more altcoins, there's more and more money flowing into different things, NFTs, you know, different type of tokens, different type of liquidities. Also, stable coins have a huge piece of dominance in the market right now as well. But Bitcoin is still you know, right here at 50, and I think, hey, as Bitcoin works its way back down to this 39% over here, that's going to be good for altcoins. So that's something that we pay attention to, is this, you know, when this starts coming down, altcoins have a good time. For those people who are wondering, you know, why does Bitcoin, you know, kind of control the whole market? Everything is weighted against Bitcoin. So when the Bitcoin dominance goes down, when more money is flowing into altcoins, it shows this going down. It's a nice representation of what's going on right there. And I probably just confused everybody by just blabbling on for a little bit too long. So let me know what you guys think about the overall Bitcoin price. It is time to get the portfolios ready. I've been saying that for a while, especially for the people who don't have a whole lot of money to invest. You can be putting $10, $20, $30, $100, you know, 300, 1,000, whatever you got, into just buying a little bit of a crypto, collecting them over time. Dollar cost average, the price will average out, get yourself a nice low average price, and then watch these things pump in the last hoorah. We call it the last hoorah because it is the last big pump in crypto before crypto has pretty much taken over everything. There will of course be pumps forever, but yeah, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. I already said that. Leave me a comment in the comment box. Y'all think positive and positive things will happen. RIP to crypto roots, and remember, never finish a negative statement about currency. Till next time, peace.